guys, welcome back to another video. This video is about miniature. I told you guys in one of my videos, the Barbie toy set unboxing with Naomi video, I told you guys that I'm going to be doing miniature videos. This is somewhat like that, except it's miniature balloon slime. Well, water balloon because it's a miniature. So I'm going to be making 3 slimes. And yeah, so if you don't know how to make it, just continue watching. So let's get on to the video. I don't have like miniature scissors, so I'm going to be using these scissors to pop all the balloons. So guys, I'm just going to put this on mute. Look at all this miniature mess. Now it's time to mix. I'm pretty sure this slime is gonna turn out good. I'm not sure. This is how this slime turned out, guys. I think it turned out pretty good. Sorry for the night that got dark, but I think it turned out pretty good. So I'm actually pretty impressed with this slime. Don't worry, we still have 2 more to make. I'm just gonna get the rest of this out. Okay, so now let's move on to the next slime. So guys, this slime also turned out pretty good. Well, it does rip, but I really like the texture and the look of it. And well, not really clear, but if I let it sit for like 2 days or like 1 day, because how it's so small, I can it will clear up faster because it's tiny.
So, structure is good. And, yeah. So, last slime. Now time for the last slime balloon making.
Okay, time for mixing. Some of the sparkles from the bowl are in this slime, but that's okay. I still like it.
So guys, all my slimes turned out very, very well. And I think I like this one the best. So in each one I used different activators. So this one I used icon oxidation and baking soda. That worked very well. In this one I used airwick, lavender scent, and in this one I used Tide. So they were all different. And then this one I just made plain old clear slime, but some of the sparkles got in, but that's okay. This one I made a very glitter slime. And this one I made a foam bead slime, and also some of the glitters got in that.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you comment down below, subscribe, and like this video up. If you haven't seen my other videos, go check them out and stay tuned. Bye. Love you guys.